Just like the diverse range of people wandering this street, we all have something different that makes us unique. For me, my diversity is an invisible one. People at uni often ask me why I was a disability student, as from my physical appearance, one wouldn't necessarily think of me as disabled, and being a white middle class female, I don't look particularly diverse. However, as the saying goes, don't judge a book by its cover. For me, my disabilities are not visible, but ever present in my life. Any of these people walking around could have the same disabilities as me, and you'd be none the wiser. I suffer from dyscalculia, which is when one has severe difficulty in making arithmetical calculations as a result of brain disorder. I also have dyspraxia, which is much more difficult to pinpoint, but affects every moment of my life, as I find everything harder to do than other people. Throughout my school life, I was told that I was lazy and wasn't trying. This couldn't have been further from the truth. I had to resit every module of my GCSE maths multiple times until I finally managed to achieve a C. Compared to the A star my friends were getting, it looks pretty awful, but I worked just as hard or possibly harder than all of them, and to me this was a huge accomplishment. With these disabilities, you have to be a hard worker and look for other routes to get to the same destination. Without having to do twice as much work as everyone else to achieve the same grades, I don't know if I would have even graduated from Edinburgh because I wouldn't have had the same work ethic. Due to these disabilities, I've never been a traditional academic and am much more of a creative person. Although this has hindered me along the way, it allows me to see things outside of the box and find more creative ways of thinking than most people would. I could be just like any of these people walking round, but although my disabilities are hard, they make me individual, and the fact that I don't let them hold me back has made me even more passionate, hardworking, and driven, all traits that I think would benefit me greatly in the TV industry.